Hello, John. Today I'll show you how to bookmark a page in a PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. This is my PDF file, and I'll bookmark this page number 3. Just go page number 3 and press right button for my mouse cursor, and this is add bookmark option. Click here and type your bookmark name 3. Select and go anywhere and double click on this bookmark icon and see this page now display. And another I'll bookmark this page here and go this bookmark option, and this is page layout option, and it's bookmark. Click on the down arrow and select new bookmark and type your bookmark name and say this and go anywhere this PDF file and double click on this bookmark and say this bookmark page now showing, and this one also, and say this. Yeah, in this way you can create as many as bookmark you want. Yeah, finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and follow.